Good day, my ladies and my gents. I thought I'd start today with a bit of a shout out to Tim over at Box Stock Garage. He sent me this really nice shop card, and it's a pretty neat little deal here. He said that the Foose pickup was the first one that he did getting back into models, and I did a pretty darn good job with that. It's that impressive. The Camaro was the second one, and that's equally impressive for just getting back into it. He did a good job on them. He's pretty good guy for it. Shout out to Big Sky. Oh heavens, gonna have to look at it again. But another content creator on here for doing models, and go check them out. I'll have links in the description for both of these guys. And now on to the video. I thought I'd give a quick update on my progress with the Dodge D100 County Road Commission work truck. Well, it's gotten a little more work truck than I quite anticipated to start with. I had some trouble with the paint. I wound up with all kinds of issues going on. So I decided I was going to rust things up a little bit. And I made a mixture, put it in a bottle, one of these of Tamiya paints, a little bit of flat black, hull red, Revell rust, and some acrylic thinner. But that's the basic paint job. And I also took some Tamiya flat earth and dusted in for mud, and just basically it's a old wore out work truck. The hood, where it's bent, rusted up a little bit. I didn't do that great a job, but hey, it does the job. It's the impression I'm looking for, and when you set it up on the shelf, got the firewall muddied up, cruddied up. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the rust looking stuff along here on top of the mud. Then I got this happy little deal. This is, the bed. Of course, I got mud and stuff up in here in the wheel wells. It's got to have mud in there. Mud in the bed because it had a load of dirt in it. That's a diesel tank. Put in a ratchet strap to hold it in place. That's one of those that they sell. I don't remember which brand it is, but you can get them online. Photo etch and a little bit of ribbon. It's attached. The headache rack is custom. I kind of whipped it out in about 45 minutes last night. And some square and rod styrene, drilled a hole in it, took some piano wire, stuck it in there in the hole, and then glued in a wire that's going to come down and kind of look like it's going into the back of the cab. And a couple of shovels that I got from VCG Resins on a what was it? My lawn care trailer. That I called Lawn and Disorder. It's kind of cute, but kind of what I'm working on. Interior, had a lot of fun with it. Interior on this, any armrest is a mere suggestion. The window crank is just a little bit of a line in the interior. I got that from, oh man, I don't remember where I got it. A little bitty company. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research, and if I can figure out where it was, I'll put a link in the description. Got that. I did put in a gear shift from VCG because the one that comes with the kit is just this big honking ugly piece of chrome. The seat belts are molded in, painted. All of this, the interior is Tamiya buff, and then I've got a bit of the rust and dirt to make it. They've been out working in the mud and they climb back in, and it's the vinyl seats are dirty. You got mud on the floors, you got mud on the door panels. Yeah. And then we get to I'm kind of pleased. I love doing dashboards, they're fun. I got the dashboard done, and I got a CB on it, got a little bitty mic to go with it, but got mud on the pedals. Passenger came in with muddy hands and grabbed a hold of the dashboard. And yeah, it's a work in progress. And I've been working on the bottom. I haven't got it all done up yet with mud and everything, but it's something a little different. I hadn't done this before. I usually try to keep them clean and polished up and looking nice. Then, instead of the ugly 318 that they give you in the kit, I've got a VCG slant 6. And before anybody says anything, it's not red. Period specific, this is a 78 model, and they, starting in 1970, Mopar started painting them blue. And kind of a light blue, almost a Ford blue. And but I've taken a black, a semi-gloss black wash with acrylic thinner, of course, to kind of grunge it up. Then I went over it with the rust that I made, and then I just put a little bit thicker wash and really just grunged it up. My first attempt at that, and I think it came out half decent. But on VCG stuff, it comes with these distributors that you can just plug a little wire into, your standard spark plug wire sets that you can get online. And it also comes pre-drilled in here. You can also, if you get really fancified, on the distributor, it also has a little deal for the vacuum advance that you can cut it off, you can put it on. You can also take it and run a line over to the carburetor if you want to do that, because it's a vacuum boost. I just hadn't gotten around to doing anything like that. Coil comes with it, and of course it's drilled out for it. Alternators, a lot of these come with an alternator or a generator in some of the ages. But yeah, some of the stuff that Josh has on his site, a lot of them come from oh heavens, I have to look at the label. Scale Auto Model Works. Also has one from Scale Speed Shop, I think it's called, and he does a lot of work with them and prints a lot of them. But that's what I got going on. It's just an old beat up work truck. So I'm gonna start in today and finish up the interior, kind of start getting things put together. And yeah, it's an interesting work in progress. I've never done one where I'm intentionally trying to ugly it up. I'm always trying to get it to look nice, like the Hudson that I did. I was trying to make it look nice. This one I'm trying not to make it not nice. It's hard. I'm having a hard time with that. So anyway, that's what I got for today. Thanks for watching.